Quote 1, by Buddha. To keep the body in good health is a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. Quote 2, by Mahatma Gandhi. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Quote 3, by Hippocrates. Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Quote 4, by Virgil. The greatest wealth is health. Quote 5, by Benjamin Franklin. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Quote 6, by Ralph Waldo Emerson. The first wealth is health. Quote 7, by Jim Rohn. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Quote 8, by Jack LaLanne. Exercise is king. Nutrition is queen. Put them together and you've got a kingdom. Quote 9, by Thomas Carlyle. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Quote 10, by Albert Schweitzer. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not.